Scotland government baby box is here. Another reason why I'll pick Scotland over anywhere in the UK, because I know you guys don't receive this in England, but I thank God for the country that I came, and I really appreciate this, especially that they made it available to every pregnant woman. So let's see what comes with it. I already have an idea of what comes with it, but I'm 38 weeks. I'm receiving this at 38 weeks. And you get a form from your midwife, and then you just fill that and post it. Even the postage is paid for already. You literally just take it to post. You don't pay anything. And I think I did that about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And now it is here. So let's unbox this together. Let's see. I mean, it's quite huge. It's quite huge. It is quite huge. So if you are a pregnant woman in Scotland, you should be getting this. It's absolutely free. Ah, this is so cute. Let me give you guys a closer look. Oh, oh wow. Oh wow. Oh. Another point where I cannot carry myself. So permit me. And I struggle with this a bit. Oh. Oh. Nice. Oh, that's so cute. Want to see what's inside? I like the fact that you can paint this. And yes, baby can actually sleep in the box. It is made for that. Sleeping in Scotland baby box. We have the guidelines. This makes mad sense. Makes important information enclosed. It's like a wee poem. Wee means little. Oh my darling wee one, at last you are here in the world, and we are your wisdom. Your aim bridge at the stars. You feel this. We have like a free product manual, things you can get. This is art. This is like the art card. Ah, ninja. Safe sleeping guides for if you want to use the box for your baby to sleep in, which I probably will. I mean, there's never too much of sleeping space for a baby. Definitely going to rate it. But let's unpack. This is a reusable nappy voucher. All you have to do is post. There is a digital thermometer. There is the safety instruction manual for the box. Socks. Toothbrush. Nail file. Maternity pads for me. Nice little cute mittens. Socks still. Breast pad for mommy. A nice soft sponge for baby's bath. Toys. Condoms. Because yeah, congratulations, but don't do this again. Oh, this is really cute. I really like this one. Oh, there's a little book. Oh, this is really nice. There's a little book. Pants. Bibs. Cap. A nice snowsuit. A soft, cozy one. I mean, the weather is cold. This was really thoughtfully packed. More books, you know, more books. Like I said, this was really thoughtfully packed. This is a baby wrap. And clothes, like clothes. Oh, God bless you. And a digital bath and room thermometer, very important. Muslins. I don't even know what this is, but when I open it, I'll be sure what it is. A play mat, a soft, cozy, very soft towel. Niger edge draw now. Blankie and a blankie, and yeah, another pack of condom because yeah, and to top it all, a nice microfiber mattress. And this is why your baby can sleep in here, because you just put in the mattress, you lay the blankie, and baby sleeps wherever. And you know how easy this will be to use, because you can really like just scoop and put beside the bed or beside somewhere. So yeah, I'm going to just, once I finish this video, I'm going to just sit down to read the safety instruction manuals, you know. But this is a lovely initiative. It puts you in that box where you know that somebody's thinking of you as an expectant mother. And I can only imagine how many people this box actually eases out at least that major stress of, oh, what's baby going to wear on arrival or whatnot. Because really not everybody can afford, you know, the whole shopping spree and everything. So this actually, like, you know, it counts for something. It's very thoughtful, and I think that it's not even a bad idea at all for governments around the world to, you know, borrow or lend the idea. Do something. Anywho, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. My baby box has gone, and it is quite loaded. Oh.